A problem that I really like in this video. I have always been really interested in finance, and I think like it's been a new passion that I've been developing over COVID. But I really like this problem because it's really simple, but also has a trick that if you understand, the question becomes immensely easier. So this question is question 122, best time to buy and sell stock 2. And this is similar to the previous one, which is best time to buy and sell a stock 1, which this category of problem is sort of in the min-max range, where you're trying to optimize locally, you're trying to optimize for a specific outcome. And in this problem, we're given an array of prices, and we can buy and sell the stock, and at most we can hold one share at any point in time. So when we sell, we can immediately buy on the same day. So the goal of this is to return the maximum profit that we can achieve, and we get our prices in an array like this. So in this case, we can buy on day 2 and sell on day 3 to maximize profit of 4. And then we can also buy on day 3 and then sell on day 6 to get another $2 profit. So our total profit's $7. So there's a couple of examples, and we can go through this problem with a few other examples here. So 7, 1, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2. So for this, the key insight for this problem is that we need to think about this greedily. Since we can buy and sell on the same day, there's no cooldown window for when we can buy and sell. So because of that, we basically want to just iterate through the array, and then we want to, the moment that the price starts going down, we want to sell our current stock and then buy the new lower price. Because the moment because what we're trying to do here is essentially find from any point in time the local maximum, and from the local minimum to the local maximum, we can guarantee ourselves profit. We can take that profit and then move on to the next local min and local max. So essentially this is a min-max problem. So let's say we had like a slider that's currently looking at the current stock price. So we start at 7, and then we take that, we assume that it's a local min and a max. So we set something like a cost basis to 7 and a max value to 7. So if we buy and sell on the same day, we'd have a profit of 0. Then we go to the next one and we observe it. If the price is lower than the last value, that means that we hit a maximum, and we want to sell from our min-max. So this would give us a combined profit of 0 so far. So now we take this value, this new local min, and hold it, and we keep going and set that to our max value as well. We go to 2 and realize that we're still increasing, so we haven't hit our local maximum yet. Now we go to 3, we find out that's still increasing. We don't want to hit our local maximum yet. We go to 8, we set our local maximum there, and we keep going. So now 2 is lower than our maximum, therefore we hit 8 was our local maximum. So what we should do here is we should sell 1 to 8, which gives us 7, and then start holding again from 2 and set our maximum to 2. So we go to 5, and it's still increasing, so now we hold on to 5. We go to 6, still increasing, and then we go to 1, it's just lower than our maximum, so then that means that we hit 6 at our other local maximum, and we do 2 to 6, we get a profit of 4, we keep it, and then we keep going. 1 is our now local minimum, and then 2 is our local maximum, we break out of the loop. If we're holding at that time, then we sell our max value minus cost basis to get our new profit and add that all together. So that's sort of like what happens in this min-max algorithm. So we start again at 1, we go to 3, now we're also increasing, we go to 5, still increasing. And then we go to 1, which is now decreasing. 5 to 1 is our local min max. So we sell and we make a profit of 4. 1 to 3, yada, yada, yada. So now that we sort of understand what's going on with this algorithm, let's go ahead and code this. This is a single pass algorithm with a few variables that we need. Cost basis, which we can set to an arbitrarily high number. I believe this works. I'm not going to get fancy. I'm just going to set it 99999. I don't think prices are going to get that high. Let's get holding and set that to false. And then max value, let's set that to 0. So we want, and then we need to hold our profit. So let's iterate through the prices. And if the current price is less than the max value, then that means we hit our local maximum. And if we're holding, we want to set our cost basis to the new price. We want to add the max of 0 and our max value minus our last cost basis to take the profit. And we want to set our new max value to equal to the price. If we're not holding, then we want to reset our cost basis to the price. And then we also want to set our max value to the price, since it's now decreasing. And otherwise, if the max value is greater than the price, then if we are holding, then we want to, if we're holding, then we want to, if we're not holding, then we want to set our cost basis equal to the price. We want to set holding to true. And then we want to set our max value equal to the new price. So we want to now hold on to the current cost basis because it's the local minimum, and then we want to keep adding the new cost basis onto the max value, and then we want to, we want to set holding to false here. So then at the very end, if we're still holding, then we want to add the new profit with our max value minus cost basis, and then return the total amount of profit. So here, we forgot to set holding to true. So now we can take this out and still run it again. Let's run it against a few other costs, some test cases, just to check that it's working. Awesome, looks like it's working. And yeah, that's how you do buy and sell, best time to buy and sell stock in one pass. This algorithm is O of n because we pass through the array one time. Our fixed, our additional space constants, or our additional space is constant. And it's a very simple algorithm. You're just really analyzing signals. But it's a fun question. I really enjoy this question. I think it's very clever with how it's made. So if you enjoyed this video, and if you like buying and selling stocks, hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell, feeds the YouTube algorithm and helps show this video to more people that might need it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.